This video shows how to use the meta slider slideshows, how to add slides, delete slides, add captions or not, and update the slideshows. Add more images if you want. So all of this, even though you see it on the web page, just like the Enviro Gallery, the meta slider, all the action all the setup for it takes place on the admin side of your website. So go to the administrative dashboard and down at the bottom to the meta slider. And here you will see on separate tabs each of the slideshows. So in this case, we're looking at the theatrical slideshow. All of the slides, the thumbnails for the slides appear on the left-hand column in the order in which you'll see them in the slideshow. Over here on the right, this is the size that all of the images should be before you add them to the images for this slideshow. Before you add images for this slideshow to the media library, they need to be this many pixels wide and this many high. Each of the slideshows is a different size. So, for instance, the home slideshow is narrower. It's 576 by 420. And you'll notice here that the first slide in the home slideshow doesn't have a caption, and the rest do. That's because you don't really need it with the first one. It's just a general slide. And then when you look at the SEO, search engine optimization, you'll see that the image title text and the image alt text are the same. Make sure you include the words costumes, because Google really likes that. Lends more authenticity to your site as far as they're concerned, so you'll have a higher search rank. So you want to include what your website is about as much as possible, where it's appropriate. And so I'm just using exactly the same thing for the caption. So any captions that are here will actually show up on your web page. So check them carefully. The theatrical slider doesn't have captions at this point, so you may want to add them or not. And you please check the SEO information and make sure that it's correct. You have to click on this little SEO tab to do that. To make any changes, be sure, click Save. Now, I moved from the home slider to theatrical slider without clicking Save. If I had made any changes, they wouldn't have been saved, because I would have been leaving to go to the next slider. If I want to change the order, I just drag them and drop them in place. And again, I'd have to click Save in order to keep those changes. If I want to add a slide, it needs to be this size, and I want to make sure that I upload it from choose it from what's already in the library, and I want to have a wide one that's the same size as the other sliders. So I think I'll try this one. I think this is the same production as this other one here. I don't know. So I think I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And all I have to do is click on the little red trash can and click OK, and that slide will disappear. And click Save. Okay, so that should tell you all you need to know about adding slides, deleting slides, and rearranging slides, and adding captions and good SEO.